Understanding amperage and know your limits. Now that you understand wattage and voltage, let's talk about the amperage. This is the amount of electrical current a heater draws. Why does this matter? Because every electrical circuit has its limit. If a heater draws more amps than a circuit can handle, it will trip the breaker and heat up the wire, or worse, cause electrical damage. The basic formula to remember is amps equals watts divided by volts. So a 2000 watt heater on a 240 volt circuit pulls about 8.3 amps. Most household circuits are either 15 or 20 amps, so make sure that the heater's amperage fits the available circuit and that your wire type is matched to the breaker size. And keep in mind, you typically shouldn't load a circuit more than 80% of its maximum capacity, and that means a 20 amp circuit should only carry 16 amps continuously. To properly size an electric heater circuit to meet the 80% rule, you need to size the circuit breaker at 125% of the heater's continuous load, ensuring that the breaker doesn't exceed 80% of its capacity. This means you need a breaker that is 25% larger than the heater's calculated amperage. For example, 3600 watts divided by 240 volts equals 15 amps. 15 amps times 1.25 equals 18.75 amps. In this case, you would need to size the breaker at 20 amps. Helping your customers check their panel and match the heater to the available amperage ensures a safe, trouble-free install. And if they need multiple heaters, spread the load across multiple circuits or recommend a lower wattage unit. Know the amps, protect the panel, make a safe installation, and that will make a right match.